Hi everyone. Welcome to Health Insights. Today, we're diving into something crucial, dry cough treatments. But before we jump in, let's understand what exactly a dry cough is. A cough is your body's reflex action clearing irritants and mucus from the airway. But there are two types, productive and non-productive. Productive coughs clear phlegm, while non-productive, also known as dry cough, doesn't produce phlegm. Now, let's uncover the causes. Airway hyperresponsiveness, postnasal drip, viral infections, and even environmental factors. Treatments. Here's what you need to know. First one is honey, a golden elixir with antibacterial properties, perfect for coating the throat, reducing irritation, pain, and inflammation. But remember, no honey for babies under 1 year due to rare complications. Number 2 is warm salt water gargles, a simple yet effective remedy. The salt pulls out mucus, easing throat discomfort. Third treatment can be steam. From showers or containers, it loosens mucus, soothing the sore throat. Ginger, with its relaxing and antibacterial qualities, makes an excellent addition to teas. Fourth one is thyme. Its antispasmodic effects relax throat muscles. And marshmallow, used in syrups, soothes dry cough irritation. One more important, that is fifth, that is peppermint, containing menthol to numb throat nerves, reduces cough urge and congestion. And finally, OTC medications can suppress the cough reflex. But remember, if it persists, consult a doctor. For more informative content, do subscribe to our channel. If you found this helpful, like this video. And if you have any remedies to share, comment below. Stay tuned for more insightful videos. Thank you.